To be able to link your TIS gateway to the Internet, you must ensure that its IP address is in the same range as your project's router address. You have two options to do this. Set the IP configuration to DHCP, or manually assign a fixed IP address within the same IP range. If you try to save these settings, you will receive an error message. For security reasons, we prevent anyone from changing sensitive settings, such as the TIS gateway IP address, server address, or password, without physically pressing the PRG or reset button on the gateway. Press and hold the PRG reset button for 7 seconds, then click Save. A Save Successful message will appear. To control or program your system remotely, it is essential to set the server information. Select the domain name according to the server closest to your location. Enter a 4-digit server password of your choice. Press and hold the PRG reset button for 7 seconds, then click Save. Once saved successfully, the server IP address will appear next to your selected domain in the software. To save your project, click on Project, then Save As. Then enter a project name and save it. Later, you can program remotely by opening the project through Open Project, selecting your file, then going to Network Configuration and choosing Cloud Server. In case you need to reset your TIS bus gateway to its factory default configuration, press and hold the PRG button for 20 seconds. After resetting, the gateway will return to its default IP address, 192.168.1.100. To change the time on your gateway, open the Gateway Settings and go to the Time tab. Click Get PC Time, then select your country and city. If your city is not listed, you can enter the longitude, latitude, and daylight saving settings manually. Select an SNTP server so the gateway can update time from the Internet even after a power restart. Enable broadcast time so the gateway can share the correct time with all other TIS devices. Make sure only one device has time broadcasting enabled in your network to avoid conflicts.